So I captured some road rage going on. So they were like at a distance for a little bit behind me. It's a long clip, so I didn't want to like show that because it's far anyway. But they pull up behind me. You can see they were coming fast, and the car in the left lane slowed down, and then the car that was directly behind me was basically couldn't pass because it's a two-lane highway. So he purposely stopped right there so the other car will pass. And I don't know what was going on between them, but all I know is I have it on autopilot. I'm it's cruise on cruise, it's doing this, the speed limit, and he's just blocked him there.